Good afternoon, sir.
Yes.
Sir, how do you respond to the drug use accusations made by no less than your sister, Senator Amy Marcos, against you and the First Family? Sir, were you hurt by her accusations, and how do you explain these claims to the public?
Mga kababayan, naalala nyo, last week, tinawag na o binulgar ni Senator Amy Marcos na nagda-drugs daw si Marcos. No, kung saan matagal na daw nitong gumagamit ng droga at marijuana. Ngayon, pakinggan natin ang reaksyon ni President Marcos dito.
It's anathema to me to talk about family matters generally in public. I do not like to. We do not like to show our dirty linen in public. I'll just say this much. For a while now, we've been very worried about my sister. When I say we, I'm talking about friends and family. And the reason that is because the lady that you see talking on TV is not my sister. And that view is shared by our cousins, our friends. Hindi siya yan. Hindi siya yan. So that's why we worry. So we are very worried about her. I hope she feels better soon.
Sir, quick follow-up lang po. Nagkausap na po ba kayo, sir? Or do you intend to talk to your sister?
We don't really, we no longer travel in the same circles, political or otherwise. So no.
Okay, thank you, Mr. President.
Mr. President naman, siyempre, hindi mo aaminin yun. Sino bang loko-loko na aamin na siya ay addict, siya ay nag-a-addict, siya ay nagdodroga? No, sino bang loko-lokong gumagawa ng ganun? No, pero naiintindihan kita, Mr. President, kung ayaw mong i-acknowledge na kapatid mo yung nagbulgar sa'yo. Masakit yun. Pero siguro mas masakit yung nararamdaman ni Senator Marcos dahil sa nangyayari sa ating bayan. At dahil, imbis na nabigyan kayo ng pagkakataon para linisin ang inyong pangalan, ay pinili mo itong mas sirain pa, Mr. President. Ngayon, hindi mo yan madi-discredit, no, o mapasisinungalingan ang sinabi ng iyong kapatid kung hindi ka magpapadrug test. Napakasimpleng hair follicle test lang, Mr. President. Hindi mo magawa. No? Siguro natatakot ka o may pinagtatakpan ka siguro. No? Siyempre, madadama yung anak mo eh. Kasi inakusahan din ni Amy na nagdodroga yung anak mo eh. 'Di ba? Inalok pa nga daw ng anak mo, yung anak ni Amy Marcos na mag-addict. No, ngayon, Mr. President, paano mo mapapatunayan na hindi ka nag-a-addict? Simple lang. No? Kumasa ka sa hair follicle drug test. No? Yung naka-witness lahat ng mga media mula nung pagkuha ng specimen hanggang sa paglabas ng resulta. Ngayon, kung mag-negative ka, di sampal yun sa mga kritiko mo. 'Di ba? Napakasimple lang.